Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft Excel with Google Sheets. So let us get going. The first thing you want to do is jump into Google Sheets. We're going to start here. So now we have our data. You can see we have some data in a table, and we're going to now go up to the menu where it says File, and we're going to look for Share. Now, once you get to Share, we are going to now click on Publish to Web. Here, you will have the option to publish the entire document, or if you have specific sheets that you would like to transfer, then you can select those sheets. You're going to now go ahead and tap on the published content and settings, and here you will be able to have the republished automatically updated when changes are made. So you will just make sure that this is clicked on, and we're going to tap on publish. Here you want to just click on OK, and it's just double checking that you want to actually do the transfer. You can see here now that there is a link, and we just want to hold in Control and tap on C, and we're going to copy that link. Alternatively, you can right click and click on copy. Now from here we are going to go out of here, and we're going to open up a new document in Microsoft Excel. What you want to do from the menu up at the top is go ahead and look for data. Now, you may see on the left-hand side that it says From Web, and this is the Get and Transform Data tab. So you can click on the From Web. Now, if you don't see it in here, you can just go to the icon where it says Get Data, and you can use that drop-down menu, and here you can find the very same thing. So you're going to go ahead and look for From Other Sources, and here you will see From Web. We're going to click on that. Either way, it'll get you to the same page. Here you want to paste that link that we copied earlier on in Google, and we want to tap on OK. Now this will take just a few minutes. It also depends on how large the amount of data is that you are trying to transform. Here you can see that this is the link, but we want to go ahead and we want to click on the table 0. You can see here is all of our data, and what we want to do here is just tap on transform data. Now you can see that there are some extra rows in here compared to what we were doing here, but you are transforming it from one program to another, so there will be a little bit of difference. It'll now transform it. So again, depending on the amount of data, it will take a few minutes to load, and it is up and running. So what you want to do here is select these columns that we would like to get rid of. So if you have selected this column, you can go up to the menu here, and you can see remove columns. Now you can just click on that, and we can click on that one too. We can now see that our data looks good, and on the left hand side you'll see close and load, and you're going to click on that. Now it'll close that queries and connections window. It will give you a sidebar, and here you can now further define your table or your data, such as creating headings, creating your top row, making sure that this data looks the same as what this data looks. If you're going into Excel, there's something else that you can actually do here. If you go into query on the top over here on your menu, and you go over to properties on the left hand side, you want to just make sure that under refresh control you have the refresh every button tab on, and here you want to define how long it takes for your refresh rate to happen. So we're going to just say every 5 minutes. That's great. You can make it 3 minutes, it doesn't matter. You can tap OK. Now whatever changes you make here will update here every 5 minutes for me. And there you go. You've now connected Microsoft Excel with Google Sheets. If this was helpful, you can drop us a like. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.